Passengers sitting in the designated exit rows, please review the safety instructions card in the seat back pocket. If you do not need...
Let me see you.
As ease.
So, como mai?
E como mai.
E como mai.
E como mai.
E como mai.
There you go.
E como mai.
This hotel is beautiful. Third floor. In Hawaii. Okay, so let me give y'all a room tour. So this is a closet. And this is like the little get ready with me area. And then this is a shower. The bathroom ain't giving me that wild effect like I like, but it's okay. The room is very, very cute. Here's a mirror. You know. The room is cute. TV, got a little sitting area. This is my favorite part though. Not me can't get it open. Child, I got a balcony. I ain't going out there. But they got 2 sitting seats and then first we got the liquor. Always take 2 courtesy bottles, baby. So all of my shoes are here. These are mostly my heels. Only about 4 pair of heels because of the outfits I have. All of my bags are here. Okay, first night in Hawaii, and I'm going to wear this black dress with a little action. It's gonna get kind of cooler. I got my hair back, did the makeup as you can see. I'm rushing because my mom is downstairs, so I'm going to pair it with my favorite combo with these. The dress, I don't know where I got the dress from, you guys, but look at it just serving. Okay, and then of course I got the Shein shoes and purse from Shein, and then I'm just gonna top it with a jean jacket. Cool. Okay. This is the final look. First night in Hawaii. And then this feel like Miami Strip in Hawaii. It's giving Vegas / California / Miami vibes.
Shaye, girl.
Come on.
They got mimosas.
Oh, I already seen that.
I seen that.
Yeah.
That was the first thing I seen. You hear me say?
So day 2, all the women are at brunch because the 2 males, which is my mama husband and my cousin husband, they had went to breakfast already and left us. So, and then we're always fashionably late and gotta get ready. So, yeah. Let me introduce y'all to everybody. So this is my grandma. This is my mom's mom. Hey, say hey, grandma. Hello.
Don't be acting old, lady.
And then of course y'all know Londa. If you follow me, you know. And then this is my cousin Mary. Is Mary your first cousin?
Yeah.
Okay, first cousin, and Mary's also 50. And then this is Neil. Got to get breakfast, and then I guess kind of go with the flow.
No, we're going on a tour today.
Oh, okay.
We're going to do a tour so we can see the island.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do it today. So, y'all will definitely be with me. Make sure you follow me on TikTok so you can see my get ready with me's, because I don't know if I'm gonna post it on my channel yet. But just make sure you follow that.
Oh, well, y'all gotta look that up.
Yeah. Smoke weed in there.
Cousin, Nail, stop talking stuff and look. Okay, y'all, excuse my family in the background, but I did an outfit change. So this outfit right here is from Shein. This is a 2-piece set. All I did was I tied it. Hey, grandma. And the purse is from Shein and the shoes is from Shein. And this is my outfit of the day. If you see my other video, you're gonna see that I had on this green dress, but something happened. I was eating. But mind y'all business. Anyway, outfit of the day. Hey, cousin.
Best to go on a weekday instead of a weekend because it'd be too packed, and we can have it all.
No, we go down this way.
Everybody get y'all drinks in the air.
How we gonna do that?
So we doing this for Londa Hawaii 5-0.
Yeah,
Happy birthday!
Hey, she, where your cup at? You could have.
You ain't gonna own that much.
I didn't say nobody want to buy none. I said,
You going?
Cop of Tesla, go on here, baby.
I don't like red.
You don't like red?
I don't
Okay.
care for red. This guy is plain. Look how plain it is.
Oh, stop playing with me. You see me? Ooh. Hey.
Hey, it's you. It's you. Exactly. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
What y'all got?
I got a Bloody Mary.
I got a guava tequila.
Guava tequila.
Alright, just so you guys know, from the furthest back, we got cranberry, guava, pineapple, orange.
Okay, thank you.
Let's start with the birthday lady first.
Okay. I want the mini pancake.
The kids make
Happy birthday, Hawaii 5-0. Which one I'm gonna use? Let's go with the basic.
Hi everybody, I want to give big mahalo to you for being so patient with me during the boarding process. As you guys can see, we are officially leaving ABC land and are on our way to Paradise Cove. So if you guys are ready to party, let me hear a big oh yeah. Oh yeah! Did you see the big difference in that? So guess what already? C is actually short for Beyonce.
Making a date.
Hey Mom, happy birthday. Thank you. Hey Keith. Mary. Hey. The sun is not bad.
Here we go.
Hey y'all.
Hey. Hello.
Mom.
Yeah.
Keith.
Keith, come back here.
So, okay. So we at this place called Paradise Cove, and basically we're gonna do a luau show. They have activities here. It's like an all-day event. So like right now it'll end like 10 o'clock Hawaii time, but like 2 a.m. in Chicago time. So let me just show y'all. So cute. Look at all that ass, y'all.
Get your car.
He ran a bit. I was like, my man's a whole.
How are you guys? You good girls? She said we look good. She said we look our age. You guys look good. You guys are good.
Do I need everything?
Yes, Mama. You look.
January 23rd, 1992.
Ooh, I'm January 23rd, 1998.
Never, yo.
January 23rd.
It's like, when is your birthday? Hey, I promise.
And the way you look tonight.
Come on. Keith. Got our lace. Mary, where you at? Got our lace on.
Auntie, where your mama at? Damn.
Cheers. What was you drinking? So this is a marketplace. You can get like snacks and stuff. And they give you like $16 already on it.
And huli means to turn. Ihope.
Ihope.
Huli mako, huli mako, kumaka kolima, ekukinoe.
Don't look better than me.
We starving tonight. We starving tonight.
Next three, bring it on now.
Hey man, y'all didn't catch the dinner. Let me try to catch dinner.
Ready, set, go.
You gotta get him good.
Hey, best friend. Ooh.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's on my
We're thankful for the time that we have to spend with our family and friends here at Paradise Cove. We ask that you watch over our visitors. May they return to their loved ones and destinations safely. We also ask that you bless the food that we're about to partake of. May it strengthen and nourish our minds, bodies, and spirits. All these blessings we ask in your divine name.
Amen.
Amen. For your
Hey,
reverence.
and I called your ass. Final day of our trip, you see the weather is like this. So my grandma got us all these like these bracelets for our trip.
I have to wait till Chanel pick hers.
Yeah.
That one or this one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so pretty. And this mine.
Mine, thank you.
Yeah. That's so cute. Thanks, Grandma.
You're welcome. I bought this for you.
Some of this one.
There we go, right here.
Right here.
The devil is a lie. You did the boomerang.
No. Hey, Lana.